Hi, this is Jim Michler with Home Center Closeouts. I've got a water heater deal on some scratch and dent water heaters. These are Rheem Performance Plus. These are the high efficiency models. You can find hot water heaters at Lowe's or Home Depot or Menards starting at $248. $348 or $350 is about the average, and then you've got these high efficiency models at 500 up to $550. These are all scratch and dents. They're unboxed, and I'm still showing you pictures of Lowe's and just to compare the pricing. But this Performance Plus deal from Rheem, there's 104 units. They're unboxed. They're scratch and dents. There's no manifest on them, but they're all 29 gallon and up. 85% are electric, 15% are gas, and the whole load is about 12,000 pounds, 26 pallets, and they get about 4 water heaters per pallet. Okay? So at $150 a piece delivered is your cost. You can still compete with even the lowest price at the big box store. So just give me a call if you've got any interest. These are coming out of Tennessee, subject to prior sales. Thank you for watching.